Southbound Jameson. Black male. Silver collar. No traffic. About 50. We're gonna go westbound on the Hogan. Towards Scotland. We are northbound on Mize. Eastbound on Rocco. 25 miles an hour, no traffic. It's a black male, green shirt, looks like sweatpants. He pulled off into a yard, driving around the house, standing by someone. Hang out here. Put your hands up! Stop right there! Don't you move! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground right now! On your face! Get on your face! Lay down! No. You're going to jail.
For what?
For fleeing.
Come on, I was bringing myself home.
Adam 32 Little Rock. I'm 15. You can 64 net.
Come on, let me just get a ticket and go about my business.
Or you don't get to run from the police, then get to go home.
I am home already.
This isn't home base.
That's it. And you didn't turn your lights on until I got home.
Who are you talking to? Stay the fuck over there.
I mean, you don't have a property. You have a right to be on my property.
I don't need one.
Yes, you do.
You don't get to run from the police and run home.
Come on.
This isn't home base.
It is. This is my home.
Nope.
I swear y'all always do the most.
I swear, I hate it when I run from the police and have to go to jail. You're an idiot.
I just want to mess with somebody.
Face my car. No.
Why not?
Because you can't run from the police and get a ticket, dumbass.
Oh my, y'all don't never want to be nice to nobody.
Yeah, God forbid you run from the police and have consequences.